Have you ever wondered why your favorite loaf of Sunbeam bread is always sliced to perfection? Let's dive into the rich history and science behind it. Sunbeam bread was introduced in 1942 by the Quality Bakers of America. It quickly became a staple due to its nutritious and wholesome qualities. Little Miss Sunbeam, created in 1942 by illustrator Ellen Barbara Signier, was commissioned as a marketing symbol to promote the brand's wholesome image. Sunbeam bread offers various options like classic white, whole wheat, and multigrain. They also have specialty breads such as cinnamon raisin and honey wheat. One of the reasons for Sunbeam's success is its ability to stay fresh longer. Unlike regular loaves, sliced bread can resist mold spores more effectively when properly stored. Sunbeam bread became a significant part of American culture in the 70s. It was used for crafting classic sandwiches, school lunches, and early morning toast. Despite the passage of time, Sunbeam bread continues to be a trusted choice. Its rich history and loyal following ensure it remains a beloved brand in households across America. America. You have it. The story behind Sunbeam's sliced bread. What did you find most surprising about its history? Let me know in the comments.